Hello everyone, this is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, and here you can see my new AM shortwave airband and the HAMRADIO 2-meter band receiver. It's very small receiver. I bought this receiver from the Banggood, and the price is about 42 euros. As you will see that this radio is really small. You can see the bands. So it has FM radio, AM broadcast radio range, shortwave from 2.3 to 30 megahertz. It has a CB radio band, air band, VHF band, included the HF 2-meter band. So it has an internal 3.7 volt lithium battery, 700 milliamp hours, and you can charge this radio with the USB cable. Okay, and the sensitivity list you see here on FM it is 2 microvolts, on AM 3 microvolts, and on the CB and airband about 1 or 2 microvolts as well. I bought the black version, this one. So let me open the box. And here it is. You see this very small receiver. Feels good in my hand. Here inside is the battery. I'm sorry I don't have a tripod right now. There is the battery. Backlight is yellow. We have the antenna whip, socket for the earphones, 5 volt DC power socket, the lock button, power or the sleep button, the place for the strap here, tuning up and down, volume buttons, memo. It has the internal memories, modes, setting, and the bands. Yeah, that's all. So let me turn it on. So radio is turned on with this power button. If you want to turn on the timer, you have to hold this button a few seconds, then hold the button again a few seconds, timer will turn off, and short press of the button will the radio turn on normally without timer. So here on top you see the S meter, and you can switch the S meter with the short press of this power button. Short press will turn on the S meter again. This is the VHF narrow band. To change the narrow or wide, you can use the mode button, long press of the mode button or short press of the mode button. You will change the width of the band. Seems that the VHF 2 meter band doesn't allow turn on or turn off the squelch. On the airband and on the CB radio, it is possible to switch off or on the squelch. So we can change the other band. This is the FM mode, FM band. Short press of the button, you see these decibels, the RSSI, and short press the FM. When you connect the headphones, then you will change the stereo or mono. Okay, now we can switch to the AM band with the button set. If you will hold the set button, no, the mode button, yeah, with the mode button you will change the stepping. This is the 10 kilohertz step mode, and long press the mode button will change to the 9 kilohertz step mode. Set button doesn't work, and short press the power button will appear the RSSY or the signal strength meter. Next band is the shortwave. With the mode button you can go straight to the AM broadcast segments and tune this radio in the segments. Long press, you will normally tune this radio by 5 kilohertz up and down. Other band is the CB band, and here in this band with the mode button you will switch the squelch. No, set. Yeah, with the set button you will switch the squelch. Now is off. Yes, you can hear the sound. Now I switch the squelch on. Okay, squelch is on. Short button on set. And short button squelch is off. Okay, 5 kilohertz step. The other band is air band, also 5 kilohertz step. See this tiny number here in the corner? And the squelch button should work. Yeah, it is working. Right. And now it's the VHF band ham radio 2 meter. The set button doesn't work here on this band, and the mode button you can change to from wide to narrow and back again. Tuning is also 5 kilohertz up and down on this band. Okay, this is the volume button, up and down. Long press of this button will rapidly change the volume. Also the same works with this tuning button here on the side. Antenna is very small. And tiny. One push of this button, the scanner will start. You can see the signal strength meter here. So you can change the other band like shortwaves. So we can change the other band. This is the CB band, 25 megahertz. And it should be FM mode. Alright, the band is, it's dead band right now, it's evening time. So the next band we have the air band, and also you can scan the band. Yeah, I'm inside the house, so I'm not expecting something. And this is a 2 meter band FM mode. This we can try with my transceiver. And frequency 145.500. All right. Okay. This is test. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, test on the frequency. Okay, so it works. It works even on 2 meter band. Yeah, I know. the transceiver is very close to the receiver. Yeah, I should test this receiver in the real conditions when I'm somewhere outdoors and compare to the other professional receiver. So that was just a little show how this little receiver looks like. I think it's a really good thing if you want to put this thing inside your pocket. And what is inside the box? So we have here the additional antenna, crocodile. Yeah, it's not an ideal option, but you can use it like here. And what we have, this is the headphone. I suppose not very special one. The USB cable for charging, the micro USB port, the strap here, and the manual. So I have to read the manual how to fully operate this radio. It's brand new for me. Here is the table again. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you will enjoy, and if you want a link to the Banggood website, you will find it down below in the video description. So thank you for watching. 7-3. Bye bye.